We're so glad that you decided to join us for our Canvas course. I want to go ahead and take just a couple minutes to show you how you're going to interact within this course. So to go ahead and get to your Canvas course, you're going to go to the ESD homepage, which is esd105.org. And on our homepage, we have a Canvas course login that you can click and jump on in. If you've not set up a Canvas course before or Canvas account before, you'll need to go ahead and click here. That's where you'll set it up. If you have created a Canvas account in another instance, for example, you are in Yakima School District and you have a Canvas account, you will need to create a new one with the ESD account. So go ahead and create a new account. You can use the same email address, but it will just be at the ESD 105 Canvas rather than at the Yakima Canvas. Once you log in and you get set up, you'll be invited to join a course. Your courses will show up here on your dashboard. So I'm going to go ahead and go to Paraprofessional course number 1. Now my screen might look a little different than yours because I'm in the teacher view. So I'm going to go ahead and look at the student view. And this should be more like what you see. So you'll see that there are modules. We've got our introductions and instructions, methods of educational and instructional support, using and collecting data. All of these are different pieces. There might be some that are hidden right now because those haven't been published. So on my end, I'd look at Introductions to Paraprofessional course. You'll want to make sure that you go through each page, as it will only become bolded if you've done the previous page, the page before it. So I'm going to go to Introductions to Paraprofessional course. I'm going to take the time to read this information, and then I'm going to go to Next. You can advance to the pages by just clicking Next. You do not need to go back and forth all the time. You can go Previous, you can go Next. While you're in the module, the next page will just automatically show up. If we look at our home page, you'll see that there are a couple of different types of interactions. This symbol right here means that it is a page. It is a page that we would like you to read and interact with. Sometimes you'll click on a link that takes you to a video. Sometimes it might just be reading information. Sometimes it might take you to an outside source to have you read a little bit more information. The other part of interaction that you'll have in this course is with discussion topics. These discussion topics, you'll see they're here with a chat box here on the side. So when I click there, I'm going to go to roll call. It will give me something that we want you to answer. So for this post, in the discussion below, please introduce yourself using the following prompts. We want you to tell us your name, where you work, an area for growth, and what you are hoping to learn. When you're ready to do that, you'll click Reply, and it'll come up a blank text box so then you can type in your answer. And then you hit Post Reply. All of your answers will be available for other people to see. So make sure that you are using best practices. You are being polite. You are answering the question that is there. You are not responding to other people in ways that are inappropriate. So I'm going to go back to my home page. After I've done all of those items, when I've completed an item, you'll see that I've got a check there. Now I'm going to go to how to engage in this course. I viewed it. I'm going to click next. I viewed this. I'm going to click next. And all of those pieces show up. And now we have another discussion. So as we're going through, each of these will show, and each of these will come up one at a time. So your main methods of interaction will be reading material, clicking on the links that are in the pages, watching the videos, and then responding to discussions as they show up throughout the course. Good luck, and we'll talk to you soon.